If your For You page looks anything like mine on TikTok, I have seen an ad for these shoes probably 20 times, and I could not get them out of my head. So I was at Epic Universe. I was waiting in line for a ride, and I was just like, you know what? It's your birthday. Treat yourself. Order the shoes. And we did. And because of Apple Pay, it's just so easy to just buy things. So they are here. I got the NOBULL Allday Knit shoes. I got them in the white, peach, and blue daisy. This is my second time ordering from them, but I have never ordered this kind of shoe before, so. Oh my God. They are like a work of art. Oh my goodness. I got them because of the laces. Like, the laces is what did me in. I could not unsee them, and I couldn't stop thinking about them. This shoe is so nice. Oh my goodness. I've never had the one that's like the sock before. My other one is more stable, more sturdy. I just wanted like an everyday walking shoe that isn't a shoe that I actually wear to work. So these are what I chose. I'm super excited to try them on, go for a walk, put them through the tests. Let's open them both up now. NOBULL calls this their everyday grind shoe. They said that the reason why they made the all-day knit is for the moments when training ends and then everything else begins. I was really just looking for a versatile sneaker that wasn't something I'm wearing at work. I could wear it throughout the day, go for walks. I do find it really interesting because it has this sock-like fit feature, and it makes it really breathable and stretchy while also naturally just flexing with your foot. It does have really durable cushioning in it, so I'm hoping that's going to be really great for like longer walks around the city. And then I really appreciated the fact that it comes in so many different colors. I just love this one, like I said, because of the laces, but I was really impressed by the options. Initially, the shoes feel really tight. They have that sock-like fitting, so you don't have as much material on the outside of your foot. It does naturally move with the way I'm walking, and I can wiggle my toes, and they do feel really comfortable.